Welcome to North Walsham, where one of our water utility clients was recently faced with a leaking 10-inch pipeline running through an area of mature woodland which is home to a variety of flora and fauna. The leaking main had caused significant disruption and needed to be rehabilitated. The standard slipline methodology had initially been ruled out due to the insufficient bore of a 225mm PE pipe. Subterra worked in conjunction with our customer's design team to specify a 250mm PE pipe installed using our own roll-down methodology. This involves reducing the outer diameter of the pipe by 10%, inserting it into the host main, and then reverting the pipe back to its original outer diameter, or as close as it can get within the host, providing a close-fit solution. Opting for this solution not only meant that the bore of the lined pipe could be maximised, but the number of excavations along the route of the pipeline could be minimised to a few launch reception pits. An overall section of 1.5 kilometres of this main was lined in this way. In essence, our customer effectively gained a new pipeline without the carbon footprint, disruption or cost of extensive excavation and reinstatement.